Hi everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. So thanks for watching my channel and thanks for subscribing. So today I would like to give some information about the Cloud ALM and Solution Manager here. So as we all know, the Solution Manager, the maintenance stream is going to end till until end of 2027. After that, we have to go for the Cloud ALM is the one solution which is implemented in the cloud side here, right? So here the next 2027 onwards, SAP Cloud ALM is the Go-to ALM for the all the customers here, all the customers we have to use the Cloud ALM here. So here SAP recommends to complete this transition from Solution Manager to Cloud ALM before this date here. Before this date, so we need to transition our all the services operations from Solution Manager to Cloud ALM has here. So let's talk about the some information about the what and all the tasks, what and all the activities we can do in the Cloud ALM and what and all the activities we can do in the Solution Manager. Let's compare it. There is a SAP standard site where they have given the some information here. If we go to the SAP Cloud ALM transition to Cloud ALM here, so let's talk about the implementation side. So implementation side, what are the implementation side, what are the activities which will support in the Cloud ALM and which are not support in the in the Solution Manager here. In the Solution Manager, we have the requirement management activity that is called in the Cloud ALM Manager requirement management here. So the project management, we have the project and task management here, right? So custom code management, we have the custom code. So clustering that is planned in the upcoming maintenance activity here. So like that, we have the IT service management. So that is available, that is not in scope here. So that can be provided by the third party ITSM here, right? The focused build, that is the various capabilities are available in the here in the Cloud ALM side here, right? So coming to the operation side, so system monitoring, we have the option in the Solution Manager. So they have replaced it into the health monitoring. There is a tab here. Then user experience monitoring here. Then that is called in the solution in the Cloud ALM, that is called the synthetic user monitoring here, right? So integration monitoring, integration and exception monitoring here. So the business intelligent monitoring here. So that is not in scope in the Cloud ALM here, right? Job monitoring. So they have added the automation of the job monitoring here, right? So like that, you can see the trace analysis here. We have the real user monitoring here, right? So job management, partially the job and automation management is available here, right? So you can see the data value management DVM we have in the Solution Manager, but that is not there in the Cloud ALM here. Then technical administration is there here. Business service management option is there here. So here like this, you can see the some additional topics. So, but here one thing is here in the Solution Manager, we have the EWA report is there, but here in the Cloud ALM, that is not planned still here. So we have the landscape management, same landscape management is available. System recommendations here, that is also not in scope of the Cloud ALM. Engagement service delivery, here we have the service delivery, which is available in the Cloud ALM here, right? So let me log into the Cloud ALM and show you how to get all those things here, right? How can we see in the Cloud ALM here, right? So let me log into the Cloud ALM. So I logged into the Cloud ALM console here. This is the URL Cloud ALM console here. Here you can see the in the Cloud ALM. So here we have the support portal and everything. We have SAP support portal. This is the business transformation center. Here we have the analysis of the files, digital blueprint, select the company codes, and some other transformation center is available here. So to move to the Cloud ALM here, right? And also we have the Cloud ALM implementation. Implementation side, we have the project setup, tasks, scopes, and test plans, preparation, documentations, requirement. So these are the tiles are available. So Cloud ALM is purely the Fiori tiles based here. So just it is the URL. You don't need any agents here. So solution manager, we need a SMD agents, diagnostic agents, we need to register it. There is a so lot of things we have to do it here, manage system setup and everything. Here we don't require anything here. Just so there is a key, service key we have to put into the our SAP systems here. So there is a, I have done it one video, the setup and cloud solution manager. So cloud ALM integration, there is a one video I have done it. So I will update in the description here, right? So just this is the overview of the how the cloud ALM looks like here in the implementation side. This is the landscape, readiness check reports. We have the how it will be look like here. So now you can see the operations wise, as I mentioned here, we have the, these are the tiles are there here, real user monitoring. So synthetic user monitoring, job automation, health monitoring, notification management. So the service management here. So there are the operational automations. There is the services here, service delivery centers, issues and management. So administration side, if you want to access, I can create the users for in the user management, landscape management kind of LMW. So then this kind of things are available in the solution manager side here. So mainly solution manager, we have the operations tab and project related so this is support level activities. Then we have the implementation for the implementation projects and everything. So we have the business transformation center here, business transformation center here we have available here, right? So these are the things are available in the cloud ALM here, right? So I will update the links in the description of this video. Just you can go through it here. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.